Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an image as a background in iMessages on iOS 26. Okay, so all we need to do is to open up our iMessages, and now when we are in a conversation, we can set our image as a background of our conversation. To do it, we need to click on the name of the people that we are chatting with, and then we will have the background options. Now I will do it because I don't want to show the private number, so give me a second and I'll get back to you. Okay, select the backgrounds once you have typed on the name of your friend, and now we have all of those suggestions right in here, but we can select our own. To do it, simply select the photo. Now our gallery launched, and now let's say that I want to use that one. Simply select it. In here we have a preview how it will look like. Of course, we can change the colors into Duotone, color wash, or black and white. I'll stick to the natural. In here we have a preview how it's going to look like. Now click on the button on the top right corner, and now as you can see, the photo has been added as our background, and now our conversation with my friend is going to look simply better. We have the cool background. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.